In front of me is ZTE Blade A54, and today I would like to show you how you can add emergency numbers. Begin by accessing settings and scrolling all the way down to access safety and emergency. Then click on emergency contacts and tap on Add Contact. Following that, tap on the one that you wish to set up and do exactly the same with all the other ones you need. To change order of your contacts, hit Reorder at the top right corner, drag the chosen one, let go, and then, after establishing a perfect order, hit Save at the top right corner. To remove one of your contacts, use this X next to the one that you wish to get rid of, and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!